In the previous videos, I cover the Oracle ADF basics, what are the requirements, definitions, and how to implement in your ADF application. Now, from this video, I started um, the new project, Tourism and Travel Management System, TTMS. So aim of this project is, this project gives information about South India tourism. This is a live project. I took the information from the internet regarding the airlines, trains, and hotels information, and the uh, cities, best time to visit, everything live from the internet. So states covered by this project are Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Basically, this project is divided into two parts: tourist manager and travel manager. How the tourist register to go from one place to another. There are there are two types of tours: self tour and package tour, which the tourist have to decide. So tourist manager, this part what it does, tourist manager will take care of entering all the details required for the tourist his or her tour. Here it is the tourist manager like places, trains, airlines and hotels. Travel manager, what is the purpose of this part is, after getting all the details from the tourist through the tourist manager, travel manager will arrange all the facilities of trains, buses and air services as well as hotel services. Once the tourist selects the hotels, trains and buses, confirm after confirmation should be there, then it will go to the travel manager part, and in the last, how to print the report. So one by one page I will explain you. The login page, I upload the video how to log in the username and password for a particular page. After developing the whole project, you can go to the login page. After entering the username and password, your project first page will appear. So here username I give to TTMS and password global world. Anything you can give username and password. So tourist personal information. This is the page, or you can call it as a form. In ADF we are calling it as a page. We need to develop this. So these are the fields or columns like tourist ID, first name, last name, mobile number, and registration. In this place of registration, from which place he want to register, to registration date, on which date he want to register, and to restart date, which date he want to start the tour. And tourist type is single type, he is single or family. Gender is male or female, and date of birth of the tourist and age of the tourist, and in the family number of adults and number of children, and address of the tourist. Here there are two types: self or package, which tour you want to select. And here there are buttons: last, next, previous, okay, to see the records, exit, cancel and help. Now after tourist personal information, he should go to the tourist manager form. So this is the next form or page. Tourist, here the details we want is, these are the columns. We need to create the tables in the Oracle ADF database. So this is, I design these all pages in the MS Excel, so that it is easy for you to develop your application. So here the tourist manager, tourist ID, same tourist, number of adults. First we are completing one tourist, then second tourist, then third tourist, like that. Here state Karnataka, place Bangalore, famous, which this place is famous for which one, like historical place. Famous places means under these hill stations, whether it is historic, famous for historical, whether tourist resort, beach resort, wildlife, picnic resort, religious, or waterfalls or lakes. So time to visit this Bangalore, this place Bangalore is January, February, October, November and December. Whether this place is near to airport. Yes, rail. Yes, yes or no. You have to give here LOVs. Yes or no. List of values. So you will come to know many other extra features of Oracle ADF while developing this application. Here the how to create the tables and how to create the we need to create a custom SQL query. We need to create the read-only view object. We need to create the list of view objects. So while developing, I will explain you one by one. Next, these are the pages of each state: Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh. And about Hyderabad means this form page will display about the information about the Hyderabad. This page will display information about the Kodaikanal, Cochin, Gulbarga, Chennai, Mangalore, Mysore, Ooty, etc. Now these are the package tours. Suppose the tourist decided to go through the package tours. If Tamil Nadu, these are some packages I took it from the Google. Madurai, Rameshwaram, Madurai. These 3 days, 2 days depends. Madurai 2 days, Rameshwaram 3 days, or again returning to Madurai. 5 days tour. It depends. Chennai, Tirupati to Chennai. Here, Kerala, like that Karnataka, Bangalore, Coorg, Ooty, Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, Gulbarga, Bijapur. Some package tours are there. 12 nights, 13 days. It depends how many days and nights you want to stay in the particular place. So these are the different tours: sightseeing tours, special package tours, inter-state tours, pilgrimage tours, seasonal special tours. About Chennai. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu, and Chennai district is an important district of the state. Chennai is a major commercial, cultural and educational center in India and one of the four metropolitan cities of India. So here best time to visit Chennai um, is January. The temperature minimum is 21 degree. February best time to visit to Chennai. The minimum temperature is 22. November, December. So this thing we need to add in the table. Next, which are the some famous trekking tours in Chennai? Which are some of the famous camping tours in Chennai? Places names are here, and this page covers the Chennai tourism. Thousand Light Mosque, Connemara Public Library, Marina Beach, Elliott's Beach, Gundi National Park, Madras High Court, Arig- Arignarana Zoological Park, Dakshin Chitra, Raipuram Fishing Harbour, Desert, Blue Lagoon Beach Resort. So, Fort St. George. There are many other places, but most of the important places I took. Like this, Hyderabad tourism. So, Hyderabad is the city of pearls, is the capital of Telangana in Andhra Pradesh and named after Hyder Mahal. So, here the best time to visit is January, February, October, November, and December. This is the present information. Uh, I search it from the internet. So, Charminar in Hyderabad, if you go, Bangalore tourism. The city is blessed with a great climate, gardens, parks, natural lakes, architectural landmarks, shopping malls, and is home to the best restaurants. Best time to visit Bangalore is January, February, October, November, and December. About Karnataka. Karnataka is one of the largest states in India, bordering Goa, Kerala, and the Arabian Sea to the west. Tamil Nadu to the south, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana to the east, and Maharashtra to the north. Here in Karnataka, the famous Mangalore. In Mangalore, Mangalore is the Karnataka's main port city. How to visit Mangalore? So, Mangalore can be reached by plane from Bangalore is less than 1 hour. Gulbarga Fort, it comes under Karnataka. Bijapur or Vijay, Vijayapura. Gol Gumbaz is famous. How to visit Bijapur? Bijapur is best reached by train for major cities in Karnataka. Safaris and national parks. Shimoga. Okay, this is the basic information we need um, to develop our project. So next we cover the two forms, personal tourist personal information and tourist manager form. After this we need to go to the days form. Here the tourist ID 1, place Thiruvananthapuram, state Kerala, days of stay. Here how many days you want to stay, adults and children. It should come from the first table. Tourist start date. Here you have to write the date of the tour. Select or select from the date box. Here airlines, trains, hotels, tourist start date and date. These are the buttons. Once you click here, this place Thiruvananthapuram, you want to go by airlines or trains, and you need to book the hotels in this place. So this is the information. The next is, first we are taking the hotel information. So in Thiruvananthapuram, hotel name is Horizon. This is a 3-star hotel. Here the fare for the single bed, fare for the double bed and suite fare, cuisine, which food is available, Chinese, continental, Indian, and this hotel is near to whether city center or airport, railway station, yes or no, this answer should be. And here previous, okay, next, these are the buttons. In the same Thiruvananthapuram, there is one more hotel, Hotel Continental. This is the 3-star hotel. This is the fare and the cuisine and near to city center or airport or railway station. There are, this is Hotel Continental. Here number of rooms, room fare, days of stay and cost you need to calculate. Indian Railways. Suppose you start your tour from Gulbarga, then Gulbarga to Thiruvananthapuram. The train name is Janta Express. Train number is there. Departure time, arrival time, operating whether daily or weekly this train, sleeping class fare. This is the information. For the train information, if the tourist select Gulbarga to Kanyakumari, train number, fare, train name, adults, children and cost. Indian Airlines. Bangalore, from Bangalore to Chennai. If the tourists want to travel, then this is the information. Operating daily, aircraft number, departure and economy class fare, flight number, stop or only direct flight, arrival time. This is the tourist level. If you select Hyderabad to Chennai, then the fare of the plane and the flight number, adults and children, and the cost of this. After selecting the hotels, airlines and trains, we are here the question is, it is advised to proceed to travel manager. You have selected all the cities along with the hotels, trains and airlines according from the tourist manager. To make any modification of your tour, you can still go back to the tourist manager. Do you want to log to the travel manager or you want to make some changes? If yes means it will go to the travel manager, otherwise it will go back to the tourist manager. So travel manager, here confirmation about airlines, hotels and trains. And here this is the report part about the travel report, train report, airlines report and hotel report. So this is the hotel confirmation like tourist ID. Suppose we confirm this uh, date 25th August and place Thiruvananthapuram and Hotel Continental. He selected this. And the train he selected is Janta Express and Gulbarga to Kanyakumari. Next airlines, which airlines he select IC946. So this is the information. So here this is the different type of reports. Travel, train, hotel, airlines and tour report and tour summary. This is the travel report of the tourist ID 8, number of children, date of stay. Then next trains report, This is the hotel report, how many days you stay and how much cost it comes. Airlines report, and this is the tour report. To particular tourist name, age, gender, tour starting date and tour ends on, and duration of the tour is 6 days. Train cost is this much, air cost is, if you didn't use airlines, 0. Hotel cost is this much. Total tour cost how much we have to calculate here. And tour summary is nothing but number of tourists attended on this particular dates, and they complete the tour. So in this the fields are adults, children, number of cities he covered, duration of the tour, and tour is starting on and from place. So this is a very interesting project. I will start develop from the next video. This is the basic information. So the next thing is I will show you how to create these tables one by one. Tourist personal information tables, tourist manager table, these are the columns. Days of stay table, package tours table, state table, place table, famous place table, places table, hotels table, hotels. This is the hotel confirmation, CNF means hotel confirmation table. Airlines, this is the airlines table and airline confirmation table. Train table, train confirmation table. So we need to go to the database, and we need to create the connection, and we need to create the tables. So I hope this video is helpful. So in the next coming video I will start developing the project. So subscribe my channel and like my video if you didn't subscribe till now. So thanks for watching.